In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close period in Xero. Closing a period in Xero is all about preventing accidental changes to finalize transactions. In Xero, this is done by setting lock dates. Once a period is locked, users can't add, edit, or delete transactions dated on or before that lock date, which helps protect your reported results. You can change or remove lock dates later if you need to, but it's best practice to set them once you're comfortable that everything for that period is complete. Start by signing in and going to your Xero homepage for the organization you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct company file and that you have permission to manage accounting settings. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your administrator to get the right access. From the top navigation, click Accounting. This opens up the main accounting menu where you control your core financial settings and workflows. Next, choose Accounting Settings. This takes you to the area that governs how your books behave behind the scenes. It's where things like financial year settings and lock dates live. Inside Accounting Settings, select Financial Settings. This is the specific page where you'll manage your period controls. Take a moment to confirm your financial year end here so your lock date aligns with your reporting period. Now find the Lock Dates section. This is the control that stops data from being changed for a specific period. Decide the date you want to lock to, typically the last day of the month or year you've finished reviewing. When you set a lock date, Xero will prevent changes to any transactions dated on or before that date. If your accounting workflow involves external advisors, you may see options that let you lock the period for everyone or allow only certain users to make changes. Choose the option that matches your internal controls. Make the changes you want, then save. Xero will confirm your settings, and from that point, the period up to your chosen date is protected. If you later discover an issue, you can return to the same place, adjust the lock date, save again, make your correction, and then re-lock. Just remember to keep a clear audit trail of any adjustments. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Before locking, ensure bank accounts are reconciled, invoices and bills are approved, and any final journals are posted. Communicate the lock date to your team so they're aware of the cutoff. And if you manage multiple entities, repeat these steps for each organization. That's it. Your period is now closed in Xero using lock dates, keeping your historical numbers clean and consistent.